You can see the other fish taking a nibble at my foot. I'm doing a bit of a fish therapy here in this beautiful crystal clear water stream. We are on our way after visiting the Weligalpoththa hermitage or the monastery inside this rainforest, and we decided to take a refreshing break in one of these streams. And so the fish have taken a liking to my foot, so I'm just putting in just one foot so that I can do this video. You can see they are nicely nibbling at my probably the dead skin. So this is what fish therapy is all about. You can see there is school of fish and beautiful. They are just having their lunch. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. There you go. That's better. You can probably hear the background noise where my friend and his family are also doing the same. Just ignore the background noise, folks. He's trying to help those ladies get up. Okay, he probably spooked the fish also. Well, yes, he managed to spook the fish away.